Hello and welcome to Daily Tech Tutor. In this video, I'm going to tell you how to use ChatGPT to simplify financial reports. So let's get started with the video. So basically, I have some financial line over here or a kind of report. You can have as many pages report as you want, and I want to simplify it. So what I need to do, just copy that particular statement, particular report, open ChatGPT, paste that particular prompt and write, could you please simplify this financial report for a non financial person to understand, and send the prompt to ChatGPT. So as you can see, it has created a simplified version. You can just read this simplified version and check it. It's more, if you want it in to be a more simpler form, just write, please create it in more simple way. So as you can see, it has created another simpler version. So this is how you can create any complex financial report into a simplified report. So if the tutorial was helpful, please like and subscribe.